In this video, I'll show you how to connect a USB flash drive to your Redmi 15C. So for this, you need an adapter. So I'm using this adapter, which has one end where you can connect your flash drive, and on the other end, you have to connect it on your phone. Now I'll link this adapter on the video description so that you can purchase it if you need it. So all you have to do is grab your flash drive and insert it into the adapter. So insert your flash drive and it should lock in. Now once you have inserted the flash drive into the adapter, all you have to do is insert the adapter into your phone. So find the charging port and insert it. Now once it's inserted, you will not see a full notification indicating that the flash drive has been successfully connected. But to confirm that you have successfully connected your flash drive to your Redmi 15C, simply swipe down from the top left corner and you should see this notification that a particular USB drive has been successfully connected. Now to access the files on your flash drive, simply open the File Manager application on your Redmi 15C. And then from here, tap on the Browse option. And then you should find your USB flash drive from here. So tap on it, and now you can access all the information within your flash drive. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.